What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Holly's Healthy Plates. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to make those chicken enchilada bowls in my car. So here's my little setup because I love to car camp. But today I'm doing Instacart. So we're going to be cooking it in the car on the dash. I've been seeing this done a lot on like mukbangs and stuff. So we're going to check it out. Hold on, we'll get into the ingredients. I'll be right back. Okay, so instead of regular chicken, because I want you guys to know how quick and easy this is, we're going to use some canned chicken breast. And then we're going to use some cilantro, lime, jasmine rice. We have the enchilada sauce, green chilies, chili beans. And then to cook it, or to heat it up, we're just going to heat up the chicken with the enchilada sauce and I'll keep the chilies for the end, but the enchilada sauce, the chicken, and I'm going to go inside and get some cheese in the store. But we're going to cook it in this. Hold on. Okay, so if you've never seen one of these, this is an electric lunchbox. Like I said, I car camp a lot. If you watch Highway Hippie, my other YouTube channel, you can see. But all you do is you stick the little cord in there, and then I have this Jackery. It's one of the best investments I've ever made. But you're going to go ahead and you're going to put it either in the 12 volt, or we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this out and we're going to plug it in here. Okay? So sit tight and we'll get right into it. Okay, you guys. So I went ahead and put the chicken with the red enchilada sauce in the electric lunchbox, and I also added some Fiesta corn and a couple spoonfuls of the green chilies. So we'll go ahead and let this warm up for about 30 minutes. See you in a bit. I also wanted to point out that I went ahead and got a single serving of Good Culture cottage cheese, because this is supposed to be a cottage cheese bowl. So we're just going to add this to the top because I do have that rice that's going to be on the base. Be right back. We got the Mexican style cheese for the top. And we didn't talk about the salsitas. I got these from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. These are going to be crumbled up on the top as well. Electric lunchbox is plugged in to the Jackery. Got our bowl over there. One for now and then one for the leftovers, and we can have the rest later for dinner. Make sure you have something underneath. I don't know if metal is a good idea, being that it's a heat conductor, but make sure you have something underneath your lunchbox because it gets real hot. It did come with a bag, like a heat bag, so that helps. Let's make note of the Jackery. The power is at 86%. So we're going to see how long or how much juice the electric lunchbox uses. Okay? Sit tight, we'll be back. Okay, now that you're about halfway through, go ahead and add your cheese, and we'll put the lid back on and cook it for another 15 minutes so that cheese gets nice and melty. Be right back. Okay, now we start to layer. We have the cilantro lime rice, chili beans. If you eat the whole can, there's 2 servings. If you eat the whole can, it's 17 grams of protein and 500 calories, looks like, if you eat the whole can. So we're just gonna do, it was like a quarter. Corn and chilies, because we don't want to waste these cans, so might as well just put it on top of this rice and stuff. Cheese is melty. Not all the way, we could do a couple more minutes. Cottage cheese. Okay, you guys. So there's the layered bowl. The chicken enchilada topping. We're going to go ahead and pour that right on top of all this stuff. 1 second. And there you have it, you guys. Chicken enchiladas. Chicken enchiladas. Bowls. Little crunch. About the only thing it's missing is Greek yogurt or sour cream for the top. Maybe fresh cilantro. And there you have it. Try that, you guys. Delicious. See you next time. Bye. I forgot. So the Jackery, it took a little over 10% for a half hour of use for that electric lunchbox. All right, bye.